Hello, good morning. Today, we'll be making a brisket. Six, seven. Alright, so first get rid of all the excess fat and all of the thin edges. Alright, so leave some of the fat on top, most of it gone from the bottom. So next is seasoning, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, mustard to help bind everything. Garlic. Oh fuck, I forgot to open it. No. Go start a fire, and while the fire is starting, we can trim off the fat. So, got the charcoal set up, snake method, it'll burn from here and it'll go slowly around and then we can cook up to 10-12 hours. So we put some lit coals there and I'll start the fire there. I almost forgot, I've got some wood chunks. So one will go there, one will go around there. So that'll catch fire maybe an hour into the cook and this one will put at the start. Chimney fire starter, we'll get those first 8 coals nice and lit. Back inside, this is ready. We'll trim off the fat. The fat will reduce into beef tallow, which will pour onto the brisket. So, pretty good. That's all the fat there. Okay, so update. It's 12:45. We're meant to get the brisket onto the grill at 11, but the fire just kept not getting to the right temperature. I kept adding more charcoal, but we're finally there. It's going to be a late dinner, maybe like 8:30. Better late than never. Also, just real quick, thank God I bought a temperature probe, because this probe says it's 91 degrees inside. Guess what the Weber says? The Weber says it's 140. That is so off. Another quick update. We have reached temperature 120. Now hopefully we can just hold this for the next few hours. Please. Hello. It's been 4 hours. The brisket is ready to be wrapped. Yeah. As long as it's airtight and it doesn't puncture. This much? That's the brisket. I didn't film it, but we took it out and that's what it looks like. All the bark is set, nice and crispy on the outside. It's all the fat rendered into oil. Wow. Yeah, just pour it evenly all over. Yeah. More. So, meat has been wrapped up in foil, back into the kettle, back to 120 degrees. Meat is at 75 degrees. We want the meat to get to 96. Update, meat has hit internal temperature, 95 and 92, maybe a minute more, and we'll take it out and it goes for an hour into the esky. But he's so nervous already. Yep. He unveils.
Whoa. Whoa.
Is it cooked?
No, it should be cooked.
Is it raw? Of truth.
Ooh.
The nerves, the tension. It's a big slice.
Wow. Oh, perfect.
Yeah. Wait.
The recipient.
Oh, great.
Hungry, hungry.
Now it bends.
Ooh.
I was cutting it too thick. That is sea
Yum.
I think it's just
Delicious. Ooh. Oh.
What's the process I have to do?
Guys, stop asking me about my build. You just put mage mod on it.
Fucking dude, it's another minute. I'm the chef. You need a shave.
No, but look.
Let the how do you zoom? How do you focus when that? Do you reckon you'll be just